Today, we're going to show you how to install 2 OVE Costco barn doors. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Install the door hangers and handles. Make sure the hinges on the hanger wheels face away from the door handle side. The first door that we're doing, we have the handle on the left side. Flip the door slab to get the handle on the other side. Now install the mounting board. Tack on the mounting board and pre-drill holes at the studs. Then screw on the mounting board. Install the top rail. Determine the door rail height. Add a ½ inch to the height to keep the door above the floor. Mark the holes onto the mounting board. Pre-drill holes at the marks. Install the rail using wall spacers behind the rail. Install the soft close mechanisms and door stoppers. They can be adjusted later. Hang the doors on the tracks. Adjust the door stoppers as needed. Install the floor mount guides where they will be under the door in the closed and open position. Make sure the gap behind the door is the same at the top and the bottom. Install the soft close engagers. This activates the soft close mechanism. Readjust the soft close and door stoppers. If you found this video helpful, throw us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.